That is our division part. So what's the formula for the division? That is log of a by b, okay, is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, that means if I am writing this number like this, that is log of 4.07 by 1.008. So that means log of 4.07 minus log of 1.008. Okay, you have to subtract both. Okay, so let's go ahead and find it. So our log of 4.07 is how many digits before the point? One digit. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 point. Okay, so now in the row what you are going to see? 40, and in column what you are going to see? In the column what you are going to see? The 7, right? So what is the value that you obtain here? Is nothing but 6096. Do we have one more digits after 7? No, we don't have. So we can directly write this number. What is the value? 6096. Okay, now let's go with the next one. What do you have to do? Log of 1.008. Okay, log of 1.008. So before point, how many digits? One digit. So obviously 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 point. Okay, now what we are going to see in the row? 10th one, and the 10th one in the column number 1, what you are going to see? 0. So what's the value that you obtain here? 0. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Students make a mistake, so kindly check what I am doing here. Okay, how many zeros? 4 0. Now what is our 4th digit here? The 4. What is that? 8. Okay, so where you will see? In column number 2. Column number 2, you are going to check it. Row will be same. So in column number 2, what is the value that you have? You have 29. So you are going to add here 29. So you get 0029. Don't put 0.29. Okay, be very careful with this. You have to take all the 4 zeros, then you have to do an addition like this. Okay, so you will get the value what? 0.0029. Okay, now what is the next step? Okay, once you get, you subtract. Okay, log, what is the value of 4.07? It's nothing but 0.6096 minus 0.0029. Okay, so let's subtract it. 8, 16 minus 9 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, 0, 6, 0. So this is the value you obtain, right? It is 0.6067. Now what you have to do? Obviously you have to find an anti-log of it. Okay, let's go ahead with it. Find the anti-log of anti-log of what? 0.6067. Okay, so anti-log of 0.6067. So this is our characteristic, this is our mantissa. Okay, characteristics, so it will be 10 raised to power 0, right? Multiplied by 0.60. Here I take, what is our third digit? 6. So we will go with that. We'll just underline this. So 6th column, here is our 6th column. So what's the value? Value is nothing but 4036, right? Plus, why I am doing? Because we have one more number. What is that? 7. So row will be 0.60 only, but column number 2, in column number 2 you have to check the 7th one, right? So that is nothing but 6. So plus 6 you do. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 1 carry over, 404. Okay, this is the value that you obtain of the mantissa. Okay, so what's the value? That is 4042. Okay, and immediately after one digit you put a point. That's a rule. 10 raised to power 0 is nothing but 0. Okay, so what's the value that we have? Anti-log of 0.6067 is nothing but 4.042. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, so here in multiplication what we do? Addition. In division what we do? Subtraction. After whatever finding the log value, you have subtracting or addition, you have to find an anti-log of that answer. Okay, that value, and you will get the final answer. Okay, now moving to the exponent. So as I told you, log of any that 10 raised to power, suppose 4 is there. Okay, so how we are going to find? It's going to be 4 log of 10. Log of 10 value is always 1, is equal to 1. So 4 into 1 is nothing but 4. So log 10 raised to power 4 is nothing but 4. Okay, now suppose log 10 raised to power minus 4 is there, then same it is. So this whole exponent will come down. So minus 4 log of 10. Okay, so that is equal to minus 4 into 1, that is equal to minus 4. Getting the point, class? Okay, so when it is minus, exponent is minus, so the answer you will get is minus. If it is positive, you will get in positive. Okay, one more thing, students, I want to say, if the anti-log value is negative that you obtain here, okay, either in division or multiplication, okay, what you are supposed to do, you have to convert into a positive value, then you find what the anti-log of that value. Okay, so be careful with that while you're doing the questions. Okay, now let's